What's up, guys? Got right here unusual jigsaw puzzle, and it's only 4 pieces. And oh wait, it's got a name right here. It's called XiangYun. How do we pronounce that? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but yeah. So let me go ahead and open this up. And here it is. This is, yeah, so it's got the frame right here, and yeah, and you put the pieces in here. So here are the 4 pieces. Yeah, they're transparent, so let me go ahead and get those out. Alright, so here are the 4-piece puzzles. 4 pieces of the puzzle. So basically, just you have to kind of guess where you're supposed to put them in. So I'm just gonna try to put it. See, I'm just gonna guess where to put it. So let's see here. I think it just goes right here. No, wait. It goes somewhere. Wait a minute. Where does it go, anyways? Trying to figure out how this. It's kind of. Hang on a second. Let me try another one. See. This is gotta be someplace. Wait, I'm trying to. Yeah, wait. It would have looked like as if it's here, but it's not. Is it close, but not quite? You can also like. Flip it. Maybe it's oh yeah, there you go, like so. Got 1 piece in like so, and I think this goes right here. Yeah. Oh, I'm so close. I didn't see that one part. Yeah, I was so close. Look at that. And there's, oh yeah, there it is. There, this is the one that goes in here. Right? No. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There it is. I got one. I got 2 in, and you just put. Wait. This doesn't look right. I have no idea. I must have. Maybe I put him in the wrong place. I don't know. Because it does not seem to go anywhere. Maybe this has more than one way of putting these pieces together. I have no idea. It looked like as if it's there, but you see, it's not in the right place. So even though you try to put it somehow, but it's not going in. So maybe I have to undo these and put some other ones in or something. So bear with me while I try to figure this out. I'll just put that one in, and nope, that does not go in there. Let's see here. Oh, that one went in. There you go. Let's see if this one goes in. This one should go in. There you have it, 3 in. And last one here. There you go. Made it. All 4 pieces. I don't know if it has like more than one way of putting it together, but at least this is one way of. At least this could be the one way of putting it together. Anyways, so that was the puzzle. So like, what if I like put it on another way now? I don't know about having another way of putting it together. Yeah. Nope. That's. I don't think. I don't even remember how I put it already. Like I can like undo the whole thing and just I can like undo all the 4 pieces, and I may not even remember how I put it together. Okay. So is that like that? And like so. Up, and then there you have it. There you go. So I got it again. Anyways, guys, hope you guys liked this video. This was the puzzle, the XiangYun puzzle. Yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.